Applied philosophy deals with the implication of philosophical analysis on the practical life. It shows its relevance in technology and other spheres of our day to day life. Introduction to Applied Philosophy. Applied ethics is a general field of study that includes all systematic efforts to understand and to resolve moral problems that arise in some domain of practical life, as with medicine, journalism, or business, or in connection with some general issue of social concern such as employment, equity, or capital punishment. Today, there are three major subdivisions of applied ethics. First is biomedical ethics. It is concerned with ethical issues in medicine and biomedical research. Second subdivision of applied ethics is business and professional ethics. It is concerned with issues arising in the context of business, including that of multinational corporations, MNCs, foreign corporations, or maybe international dealings, which are related to business and professional ethics. Environmental ethics. It is concerned with our relations and obligations to future generations, to non human animals and species, and to ecosystems and the biosphere as a whole. The term applied simply means to put into practice or to be used practically. From this use of the term applied, we can formulate a general definition of applied philosophy. It is the application of those principles and concepts derived from and based on philosophy, which helps to a study of our practical affairs and activities. These principles and concepts are used to study our practical affairs. The reason why this is important is because applied knowledge is third order philosophical knowledge and does not necessarily lead to a complete truth applicable at all times and places. First order philosophical knowledge is primarily metaphysical in nature. The principles and concepts in metaphysics, including ontology, rational psychology, and philosophy of inanimate being or cosmology, constitute the foundation for further philosophical thought in both the normative and applied areas. So, this chapter includes introduction to applied philosophy, philosophy of technology, environmental ethics, biomedical ethics, professional ethics, media ethics, legal ethics, philosophical counseling, managing everyday problems.